in this question, we basically just want to find the null and the column space of A. Remember that null space of A is really the solution space of this matrix equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply RIEF to this matrix. Now, if you type this matrix into your graphing calculator and apply RIEF, you're going to receive an error message, something like dimension mismatch or something like that. So what you have to do is to put in another column of 0 as a placeholder. This column of 0 will not do anything in your calculation. It's really just a placeholder so that you could use your graphing calculator to find the reduced form. So RIEF, and that will give me 1, -2/5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. Look at that, a whole bunch of zeros. Remember that very last column of 0 will not come into your calculation. Okay, look at what we have. We have 1 pivot position. So that tells me x2 is free, x3 is free, and also x4 is free. So now I have 3 free variables. That tells me eventually I will find that my null space has dimension 3 and my column space has dimension of 1. Okay, let's look at the null space. Now my solution equals 2/5 x2. x2 is free, x3 is free, x4 is also free. And if I rewrite my vector as the sum of my 3 free variables, I will have x2 equals 2/5, 1, 0, 0 plus x3 times 0, 0, 1, 0 plus x4 equals 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you could type any one of these 3 vectors into my MATLAB. That should give you the correct answer. Or you could even use the multiple of any of those 3 vectors. Okay, so now I have my null space. Let's look at the column space. We're almost done over here. So this is the null space. Down here we have the column space of A. Notice that I only have 1 pivot position, the first column. Then the first column should span the column space of A. So I know column space of A is span of this 1 vector. So you could just enter your vector over here or a multiple of this vector over here, and that's it. Okay, so that is question number 9 from 4.2.